Hi everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily create a project in Asana. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Asana, right? And then just click here on workspace that you got and create a project, and you can use a template, import spreadsheet, or create a blank project. So you can go like, I don't know, creative requests, use template. You can like change the privacy. And this is how we create a project. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.